Marsh's not ready. And the drivers are ready. Wait for your name. Art. Nelson. Narby. Dana. And last but not least, Brett. Oh, watch it over on the right-hand side. Right-hand side. And a good example by our Marshall there. On the way that we should Marshall, which is that kind of gingerly walk. Carpet surface out here in LEMO Raceway for our inaugural West Coast Indoor Championships. Race number 1. Our first of 2 groups of USGT out there on the course. 14.44 Cortez. 14 flat 4 picked and Narby with a 14.6. Top 3 drivers on 21 lap runs right now. Race number 2, you guys should be intact, guys. Race number 2, you guys should be intact. Nick Pantana, John Hicks, Dominic, Juan, Angel, and Juan. Once again, race number 2, you guys should be intact.
I think that's right.
Three-way battle up in front, Cortez, Picton, and Narby, separated by 1.8 as a total. Right now it is Nelson Cortez out in front by 8 tenths, 21 and a 5.04, 21 and a 5.08 for Picton, and 21 and a 5.13 for our third place out in Narby. Our third and fourth with a 14 flat and Brett with a 20.3 to round out our top, and only 5 Gonzo DNS.
Yeah, but look at his body too, man. Nelson, the one right in front of us.
Cortez 14.8 the last time by, working his way through the center of the course. Coming up on slower cars, and the slower car makes way. Cortez now dropping down to the second spot. It's going to be Picton out in front. Picton down the back stretch. So Devin, our new race leader, in that blue and yellow. There's Devin across the start finish line, 14 flat. That's going to be his personal hot lap. The hot lap of the race is Arthur Knight with a 13.8.
He's back up in front? Now he's about that flat.
2:15 down, 2:45 left to go down, 2:15 down, 2:45 left. Knight now taking over the top spot, 14.1 the last time by. Big battle. Oh, trouble in the middle. And we're clear. Marshals are on it.
Yeah.
Arthur, Devin, and Nelson separated by 1.5 each. And now dissolving to a 2.9 spread between each of our top 3. So 5-second spreads in top 3 is a total. And now only 2 on a 21 lap run. 5:07 for Knight, 5:13 for Cortez. Picton dropping to a 20 and a 5:02 pace. For second place, Nelson down the back straightaway trailer, racing it by 3.8 now. Arthur down the back straightaway coming up on Brett. 1 minute and 30 seconds left to go. Everybody's racing against the clock here, so if you get a faster car coming up on you, it's best to go a little wide, let that faster car by. Everybody trying to make that same goal, do the most amount of laps in the least amount of time.
Yeah.
Rocket round qualifying. Battle for second right now. Nelson and Devin separated by 1:10. Top 3 back on 21 lap runs. Picking up the pace here. Looking at 2 spots. See if Devin can work his way back to the top spot. It's a long voyage, so 6.7 second lead for Arthur.
Oh yeah.
Big lead here for Arthur, our race leader. Going across the start finish line. It's going to be the orange and black down the back stretch. 7-second lead, a half a lap advantage over Picton and Cortez. A battle out on a 2 spot.
So that should give him the
Narby and Brett, 35 seconds left to go.
He does not on the first
Getting ready for race number 2, guys. And ready race number 3. Start heading to tag.
I know, I think
Arthur 14.2 the last time by, still on the hot lap of the race on lap number 7 of a 13.8, Picton 14.6, and Cortez 15.6 the last time by. 14.3 the last time by, and Brett with a 22.2 the last time by. Keep going, guys. Keep going. Time has expired on the match timer. You guys are on your individual timers. Always take an extra lap, guys.
Yeah. Definitely.
2 to finish, guys. 2 to finish.
Yeah. 5. I think
Waiting on one more, guys. Waiting on one more.
I think that's pretty good.
Narby still to finish. And that's the race, guys. Everybody is done.